So I got home from a gig a few weeks ago, put all my gear away with my guitar case, and my workhorse was cracked. I've been playing since 1970. I've never had a guitar crack on me. This humidity, this winter, this dryness has been so bad. It's brutal. I was beside myself. I was in tears. I had a crack here. I had 2 cracks in the back. Oh my gosh. I got a hold of Luther's workshop down in Green Bay. They did me good. They did me right. They fixed it all, put it all back together. The action on this thing is great. It's time to celebrate.